Hi, I am Yevikas. I am going to speak about representation of Q using linked list. I am studying in first MCAD. What is linked list representation of Q? One of the alternative of array implementation is linked list in implementation of Q. The storage requirement of linked list representation of Q with n element is 0 bar n, while the time requirement for operation is 0 1. In a linked queue, each node of the queue consists of two parts, example data part and the link part. In the linked queue, there are two pointers maintained in the memory, example front pointer and rear pointer. The front pointer contains the address of the starting element of the queue, with the rear pointer contains the address of the last element of the queue. Insertion and deletions are performed at rear and front end respectively. If front and rear both are null, it indicates that the queue is empty. That is shown the linked queue diagram. Operations are linked queue. There are two basic operations which can be implemented in the linked queues. The operations are insertion and deletion. What is insertion operation? The insert operation is append the queue by adding an element to the end of the queue. The new element will be the last element of the queue. Firstly, allocate the memory of the new node ptr by using the following statement. Ptr equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. There can be the two scenario of inserting this new node ptr into the linked queue. The first scenario, we insert element into an empty queue. In this case, the condition front equal to null becomes true. Now, the element will be added as the only element of the queue, and the next pointer of the front and the rear pointer both will point to null. This is the algorithm. In this, the second case, the queue contains more than one element. The update the end pointer rear so that the next pointer of rear will be the new node ptr C function and the deletion. Deletion operation removes the element that is first inserted among all the queue elements. Firstly, we need to check either the list is empty or not. The condition front equal to null becomes true if the list is empty. In this case, we simply write underflow on the console and make exit. Otherwise, we will delete the element that is pointed by the pointer front. Here the steps and algorithm and C function. Thanking you.